Every rooftop chasing its own numbers. Every team running its own playbook.
Disconnected tools. Duplicated effort. Momentum lost between rooftops.
That's the old game. Growth without synchronization.
The new game is unified. Shared data, shared intelligence, and shared rhythm.
Because scale without structure collapses.
That's why we created our custom consulting, to help dealer groups and OEM partners unify systems, strategy, and execution.
We don't sell software. We design operating systems.
Systems that learn, adapt, and compound across every rooftop you own.
One data source. One reporting structure. One shared standard for success.
From leadership strategy to local execution, every store moves in rhythm, not in isolation.
We start with diagnosis, then design your unified architecture, and finally deploy, train, and develop your teams for compounding performance.
It's clarity at scale, not chaos at speed.
We've helped groups consolidate 10+ vendors, standardize reporting, and grow faster with fewer moving parts.
Because the best growth is predictable, and predictable growth compounds.
This is how tomorrow's dealership groups will operate. Connected, intelligent, and compounding by design.
Finally, no more vendors pulling in different directions. No more blind spots between marketing and sales.
Just one unified system and one rhythm everyone can follow.
When you replace confusion with clarity, you replace friction with flow.
That's how we turn complexity into compounding growth.
And that's what true leadership looks like.
The future belongs to dealerships that compound.
Let's design yours.
Turbo's custom consulting. From system to scale, and from complexity to compounding.